Greetings from Borneo. So, as the story goes, I've climbed Mount Tambu Yukon in Sabah about 8 times, and every time I've seen Rhizanthes, one of the small cousins of Rafflesiaceae. I'm not in Sabah anymore. I'm now in Sarawak, near Pulang Tau National Park, where, on the guidance of a friend of mine, Chen Li, a great photographer, we've managed to find Rhizanthes. We hunted around for quite a while looking for these flowers, found maybe 40 buds and none open, until suddenly we found this. So this is Rhizanthes Lowii, one of only a couple of species of Rhizanthes described so far. And the flowers have a rather putrid odour. Here you can see aborted buds and also a dead flower. And there's another one, a couple of weeks older, just over here. Now, while I was drooling over this one, my friend John found 2 more. They're over there. Let's go take a look. And here they are. 2 more magnificent flowers, even larger, of Rhizanthes lowii. How does it smell?
Yeah. It's
terrible?
sort of terrible.
Reminds me of you, that smell.
Oh wow! That's worse than Rafflesiaceae, easily. Gosh, what marvellous things. That's such a treat. This has been, 2007, the first time I climbed Tambu Yukon. And this is the first time I've actually seen them in flower somewhere else. Thank you very much, Chen Li.
And now for some science. Rhizanthes are from the same family as their cousins, the Rafflesiaceae, the largest single flowers in the world. Rhizanthes can't survive in the absence of their hosts, in this case tropical relatives of the grapevine. So how do they get by? Like Rafflesiaceae, Rhizanthes have no true roots, stems, leaves or photosynthetic tissues, which means that they have to get all that they need to survive from their hosts. They do this via specialized root-like structures called haustoria that penetrate the host cell walls in order to draw out nutrients. In common with their near relatives Rafflesiaceae and Sapria, Rhizanthes are so-called carrion flowers because they visually mimic and smell of rotting animal matter. Unlike in Rafflesiaceae, which has a deep floral chamber, the central reproductive column is exposed. This is surrounded by 16 lobes akin to petals, each terminating in striking tail-like appendages. The blooms tend to be hairy towards the central column, possibly improving the effective release of bad-smelling volatile compounds produced to draw in pollinating insects, and also adding to their visual attractiveness to those same insects. Unsurprisingly, pollination is believed to be mainly affected by flies, which just love a bad smell.
Oh my lord, this is one of the best days of my life. What a beautiful, beautiful plant.
okay.